Hello, fourth grade. Right now I'm going to show you how to log in and use your MathFacts Pro account. Some of you got some experience with this last spring in third grade. We have erased those accounts, so you're going to start over and you'll be blank starting new. MathFacts Pro just is a way to practice your math facts. So addition, subtraction we'll start with, and then as you complete those, it will take you to multiplication and division. And so the goal is to be able to tell me that 5 times 5 is 25 quickly. So when you get to mathfactspro.com, you're going to go to the student login, and you're going to put in the teacher's username. Now, since all of fourth grade is using this, the teacher's username is Belton Pirates. And then down here in the middle, you'll put your first and last name. So I'm going to use Bradley as an example. And then you'll put in your password, which I will send to you separately, and then sign in. Now, when you sign in, it's going to start right away. So make sure you're in a spot where you're ready to concentrate. Okay, and so this is what it will look like. So 7 plus 1, we're going to start with addition, and it gives you the time, 0 plus 4. Then I'm going to stop there so that I don't mess up Bradley's data. But as you can see, it's just going to give you facts. Every once in a while, it will stop and tell you a funny joke. You can turn those funny jokes off if you don't want to listen to the jokes. You will do 50 problems. It shouldn't take that long, and as you do better on addition, it will move you to subtraction facts. And then as you pass your subtraction, it will move you on to multiplication and then division. So this is something I'm going to have you do every morning because it's really important for fourth grade math to be able to do your math facts quickly. So each morning, your morning work is to do Math Facts Pro. Have a good day.